Hi, this is Skeeter, and welcome to Parallels Desktop for Mac. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to migrate from a Windows PC to a Parallels Desktop virtual machine. There are two components required to migrate your Windows PC. You will need Parallels Desktop installed on your Mac, and Parallels Transporter for your Windows PC. For this tutorial, we will be using the Switch to Mac edition of Parallels Desktop for Mac, which includes Parallels Transporter. If you already have the regular edition of Parallels Desktop for Mac, you can download the Parallels Transporter separately from the address listed here. To use Windows Transport, you must have a Windows PC running one of the following operating systems. On your Mac, make sure you have Parallels Desktop for Mac installed, and on your PC, make sure you have installed the Parallels Transporter agent. In this tutorial, we will migrate a Windows PC to a Mac over a network, so make sure that both computers are on, signed in, and are connected to the same network. Now on your Windows PC, open the Parallels Transporter by choosing the Start menu, All Programs, Parallels Folder, and clicking on the Parallels Transporter. If you get prompted by Windows User Control, click Allow to start the program on your computer. Now, back on your Mac, open Parallels Desktop and select Migrate from a Windows PC and click Continue. You will now be presented with three options for migration. Since we are migrating over a network, select Network and click Continue. The Parallels Desktop wizard will now display a passcode on your Mac. You now need to go back over to your Windows PC and enter this numeric code into the Parallels Transporter agent. The agent will automatically connect to your Mac and start to share the information with Parallels Desktop about the configuration of your Windows PC. You will then be prompted if you've already migrated your data on your Mac. Leave the checkbox unchecked and click Continue. Next, you will have a choice of selecting how you want to use Windows on your Mac. If you select like a Mac, Windows programs will appear on your desktop, just like Mac apps, and the Windows desktop will not be present. If you select like a PC, the Windows desktop and all of the programs will run in a single window. This mode of operation can be changed at any time, so click Continue to move to the next step. Now we are prompted to select where we want the virtual machine to be stored and if we want to customize the configuration. You can make changes here or just click Continue to move to the final step. Finally, you will then be reminded upon completion of the Windows migration to the Parallels Desktop virtual machine that Windows and some applications may require reactivation. Select I want to continue and click Continue. The migration process will start, and depending on the speed of your computers, network, and the amount of data that needs to be transferred, this process can take several hours. Once the transfer is complete, the Windows virtual machine will automatically start Windows, and depending on your earlier selections, you may get prompted to log in. Enter this information. Parallels Desktop for Mac will automatically install Parallels Tools, which are a set of enhanced drivers and utilities to make your Windows environment seamless with your Mac. Once Windows is restarted, you will now see all of your applications and data right where you left it, except it will now be within Parallels Desktop for Mac in a virtual machine. And you now should see your familiar desktop from the Windows computer that you just migrated from.
For more videos and product information, please visit
www.parallels.com/products/desktop.